COVID-19 has had a significant impact on the survivability of small businesses in Canada. Thinking Capital has put together a special webinar to help you manage your employees on both a professional and personal level during this crisis. Your employees are the lifeline of your business. Being a leader involves navigating the waters during these troubling times, and many will look to you for guidance and support. Today, we'll review tactics that will help keep your business afloat while answering some of the most frequently asked questions from your staff. Let's start with experiencing a business slowdown, where both your finances and your workforce will be affected. Your first step is to begin reviewing your business finances, and that includes making sure you're meeting your basic expenses. Have a conversation with your accountant or bookkeeper about the financial health of your company and if it can sustain a loss in business for the foreseeable future. At this time, it is uncertain how long this period will last, so it's important to have financial foresight. By reviewing your finances, your accountant or bookkeeper will have a better idea whether you should continue to stay open, operate in a limited capacity, or potentially press pause on the business entirely. Sustaining your business includes building a business continuity plan. This will help ensure you'll be able to not only continue providing your product or service during this crisis, but also have the ability to recover afterwards. Your business continuity plan includes discovering new avenues of sustaining your business, including sourcing out new suppliers, offering new products and services, identifying new opportunities in the market, or pivoting the entire business model. With a bit of creativity, your business may be able to survive even the most difficult of times. Another conversation to have is with your commercial insurance provider. Ask if you are entitled to business interruption insurance payments. Having the extra leeway can give you that added boost you need to stay afloat. At this point, your employees will most likely have a lot of questions. So over-communicating with your staff is imperative for maintaining the culture and trust of your business. It's important to put directives in place such as hand washing and sanitizing and communicate various safety measures both in person and through digital channels. This includes developing and posting educational posters and encouraging staff to share safety tips amongst each other. Create a clear line of communication between all departments, including opening channels to management and to your health and safety representatives or committee. Finally, be sure to talk about their job security, health status, income options, and opportunities for employment insurance. Your employees will appreciate the knowledge up front. Remember, treat others like you would like to be treated. It's important to stay human during these troubling times. Nobody saw COVID-19 coming, so banding together is more important than ever before. Your employees have families and responsibilities outside of work, so continue providing them with the empathy and support they might need. Regardless of what occurs in the coming months, it's important to explain that everything that happens is a business decision, not a personal one, and that you yourself have been put into a very difficult position. If temporary closure is imminent, emphasize that it's only temporary and that you hope they will consider rejoining you again one day in the future. The Government of Canada has introduced new economic programs that you and your employees may qualify for if your business has been impacted by the economic disruptions brought on by COVID-19. To see an overview of these programs, visit Canada's COVID-19 Economic Response Plan on the Government of Canada website. If your business does need to lay off or furlough employees, the Government of Canada offers options on how you can ensure they are able to receive employment insurance. You'll first need to fill out an ROE or record of employment for each employee. When filling out the ROE, there are several different employment codes to choose from. To find out more information on what these codes mean and how to properly fill out the form, be sure to visit the instructions for completing the record of employment on the Government of Canada's website. Filling out the form promptly and correctly will help you ensure that your employees get their funds as quickly as possible. Note, in order to speed up the process for your employees receiving employment insurance benefits, we recommend that you do not add any comments into their ROE. Comments trigger a manual review. That will take more time for them to receive an approval. We hope that these tips can help you manage your business during these tough times. Thinking Capital has also created a set of resources to help monitor COVID-19 and the industry as a whole, and receive tips and suggestions for running your small business. Be sure to check out our resource hub for the latest on COVID-19 news and tactics for small business owners in Canada. You can find it at thinkingcapital.ca/COVID-19. Our Small Business Index allows you to follow industry and provincial sales data across Canada. And lastly, follow us on social media to join the discussion, participate in surveys, and receive tips from like-minded business owners. Thanks again, and good luck.